So, tell me, when dating someone, is the number of partners they've had of any importance to you? And when it comes to the number of people you've slept with, are you open and honest about it?
Do I care how many partners a person I'm dating has had? Not really. I'm sure I've said this in here before, but most men are dogs, like truly. I just automatically assume they're out there getting it in with any and everybody. I don't even ask about a body count. But what I don't play with are condoms. Don't you dare come near me with that thing unwrapped. And as far as being honest about my own numbers, like, why? Guys aren't about to keep it 100 about who's been in their bedroom, so why should I tell all my business? They can assume what they want. I couldn't care less.
So you thought I wasn't gonna hit you up, huh?
Why would I think that? I was shocked you didn't call me sooner. So, where are you taking me? I hope you don't have some park picnic set up.
No, we're almost there. So this is it. I hope you're not scared of the water.
No, but I am scared of men who come on too strong. I'm not trying to do this on a first date.
Why not?
Because it's too romantic. I was just trying to have some drinks and talk a little bit. I wasn't ready to be cuddling on the water.
Relax. It's not like I'm about to propose. I just thought it'd be fun. Come on. Look, it's a nice day out. I've already reserved the boat. Let's have some fun. Look, if it makes you feel any better, you don't have to sit close to me. You can sit on the whole other side of the boat.
All right, so I don't mind sitting close to you. But no hand-holding, no rubbing my arms, and I swear to you, if you kiss my cheek or my forehead, I will jump out the side of the boat. Understand?
I got it. It's no affection.
Waking up in the sunshine next to you. Couldn't picture anything better to do. I could be dreaming, reality is so deceiving. When all I wanna do is really be next to you. It's been so long since I felt like this. Usually don't plan my very first kiss, but you got me doing some different shit. I think I like it, I know I like it. I'm captivated by my imagination of things we could do. Ain't got no man, I ain't got no plans. Trying to put my hands in places where we could play hide and seek. Come and find me, I got the mangoes for you. Usually so shy, but not tonight. You could get all of this juice.
So this wasn't so bad, was it?
No, not at all. Yeah, so we should hurry up and get back. I have another date tonight.
What?
I have another date. That doesn't bother you, does it? I just want to be clear that I'm not looking for anything serious. I enjoy being single.
No, this is cool. Like, I understand. You know, I'm not looking for anything serious either.
Great.
Cool. All right, let's get back.
Listen, I'm no saint, which you can probably already tell. The difference between me and guys out here is I'm not sleeping with everyone I date. I choose who, I choose when, I choose where, and I choose how. Look, everyone doesn't deserve a piece of Jordan. When I want it, I get it. And I'm in control of that. Oh, wait. So you know we're not having sex, right?
Yes, Jordan, I know the rules, just like I always tell you. I just really like pleasing you.
Oh, yes. Oh, God, yes.
Slow it down, slow, slow, slow down. You ain't